Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is Tech Travel Geeks Earphone Tuesday. Yes, we're carrying on this 2021 tradition of unboxing and providing first impressions of a new set of earphones every Tuesday. Today, we're going to be looking at the AUKEY EP-T27 earbuds that I purchased on Amazon. Now, AUKEY is a brand we've tested and used here at Tech Travel Geeks quite a lot in the last few months. And I have to say, overall, the brand delivers excellent value for money. And we'll see if this set of earbuds, the EP-T27 models, do the same. So packaging is very simple. Unlike previous AUKEY ones, we do have some foam in the middle. And there's some very explicit instructions on how to remove the earphones from the case. We'll look at that in a moment, but let's see what else is in the box. So we take the styrofoam out, and here we have a USB cable. In this case, it's USB Type A to USB Type C. And great to see USB Type C becoming the standard, even with relatively inexpensive accessories like these AUKEY earbuds. We also have some replacement silicone tips here in large and small size. And there's a little instruction manual and a tiny little sticker for your laptop. So yes, this is an AUKEY sticker. So everything's in here. Quick start guide, earbud tip replacement, and instructions. So everything's there. Let's have a look at the earbuds themselves. So the instructions they give us on the plastic film around the product says that step 1, take out the earbuds, then tear off the protection film at the back side of the left and right earbuds. Step 2, thanks for purchasing our product. Please read the instruction carefully before use. I'm going to cheat and probably not do that. I do earbuds and earphones quite frequently, but let's see what these are looking like. And yes, they do have a film protecting the earbuds themselves. This is to avoid unnecessary charging and uncharging whilst in the case on their way to you. And there's one on the other earbud as well. Essentially what you need to do is to make sure that the contacts at the bottom are usable. Now, this is really quite interesting. The contacts on these earbuds are significantly bigger than the traditional pogo pins that we've seen on other earbuds. And in case you're confused about which one goes where, there is a little detailing within the case for the right earbud with an R and left with an L. Not only that, on the earbud itself, actually no, there is no left or right on the earbud itself. But it should be quite simple to recognize which one's in which ear or to see how they fit in. So the case is very compact. It is its own charging case, and the USB Type-C port is at the bottom here. And I mentioned pricing. These are available from Amazon for £49.99, so almost £50. But at the moment, there's a voucher for 50% off on Amazon UK's website. So I'll leave a link in the description, you can check that out. But for now, what we're going to do is turn on the Google Pixel 5, turn on Bluetooth, and then go and search for the AUKEY earbuds. You can see that I've already connected AUKEYs to this device, but we need to set up these new ones. So pair new device. And there we have it, EP-T27. So pair that. And so what I'm going to do is put these earbuds through their paces with the Google Pixel 5 and get back to you in a few hours with my first impressions. Now, for you, obviously, this will be a matter of seconds. There may be an ads break in between, but I'll be back in a few minutes with my first impressions of the AUKEY EP-T27 earbuds. Okay then, I'm back, and I have to say, these AUKEY T27 earbuds, EP-T27 earbuds, are really good. Now obviously I've been using them indoors in a relatively quiet environment, but overall I have to say the sound quality is excellent, the microphone is good, it seems to work well. I used it to make a video call, and the overall feel of the earbuds is very good. Now that is reflected by how good the capacitive touch on both earbuds is for performing actions like pausing music, skipping tracks, activating your voice assistant. It's all really good. And just overall first impression of the case and how that works, how the charging works, I'm very happy with these earbuds. So good quality sound. It is a tad bassy, so it's slightly bassy, but overall none of my tracks in my playlists, which usually trick earphones into essentially falling foul of too much bass and treble at the same time and start crackling, none of those tracks triggered the AUKEYs into that. So good overall all-round sound, which is important if you plan on using these for music, but not only for music, if you plan on using them for gaming. So I did play some Call of Duty Mobile on them on the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, and I have to say everything was fine. There was no discernible lag in the sound that was coming from the AUKEY T27s, so really good in that respect. I then also used them for a bit of audiobooks and podcasts using Pocket Casts and Audible, all good there as well. And I then switched over and watched some Twit videos on YouTube, and no delay in the sound between the spoken word and what I was seeing on screen, which is really good. Now that's probably down to the fact that the EP27s are using a Qualcomm chipset, so they do support aptX, so I was really impressed by that. And obviously at full price they are a tad expensive at £50 sterling or $49.99, but as I said, if you keep an eye out on Amazon, such as at the moment, there is a 50% off voucher on amazon.co.uk, so you get these for around about £25, which is pretty decent. For that price, these are very good. Now, one thing to bear in mind is these don't have any active noise cancellation, so it's purely passive. Those silicon earbuds are what are giving you noise cancellation, and they work very well for that. As I said, I haven't used them outdoors, but because they're silicon earbuds, they stop the external sound from interfering from what you're listening to. And I have to say, these did last a good couple of hours whilst I was doing my testing in a variety of contexts. And according to my Google Pixel 5, which I then repaired them with, everything was at around about 60%. So 2 hours to 60%, ballpark, around about 5 hours charge from the earbuds alone. And then the case should give you another couple of hours. But anyway, I think I'll wrap up this quick unboxing and first impressions video of the AUKEY EP-T27. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. As I said earlier, we will put a link in the description to where you can purchase these on Amazon UK, and please do remember that there is also a voucher that you need to click to have enabled to get the 50% off. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.